All right, guys, back for another episode of the YFM80. Man, this thing's going to be sweet. We got the frame powder coated, all the miscellaneous brackets, the bumper, the muffler's got some high temp grill paint on it. We already have the engine rebuilt like you saw in a previous video. The tires are done. Got the rear diff finished up, so this should be a pretty fun, easy process. Bolt it all back together, and we'll have a finished quad.
I rode my QT50 over here.
How's it running?
Ran okay. Stalled out one time. I think I had something in the gas or something. I never drained the gas and just fired it up this summer.
So I'll pull mine down off the shelf, and maybe we'll take it for a rip when we're done here. What do you think?
Sounds good. Let's go.
All right, grab that engine, Jay. Put that in there first.
You gotta grab that.
That doesn't go in there. That goes like that.
I can't see what the bottom thing is.
Turn it up more like that.
Huh?
There you go. The bottom's gotta go in there.
Hang on, again. That's it,
Come on, bro. Don't be banging it up. You're close. Right there. Keep going. A little bit further back. Okay. See if it's coming through. Lift it up a little bit.
Tighten it some. I think I'm gonna do it with a ratchet.
Yeah, that's good. Do the bottom one again.
Go.
One engine expertly installed.
That's in.
All right, Jay. Grab that diff. We'll put that in next. I just got to line up that drive shaft in there. Hold on one second. Let me get that. This might take a second to get this lined up in there correctly. All right, I got the little drive shaft in there. Now you should be able to slide that on.
You need like a rubber mallet.
There we go. Can you grab them two bolts for me? Those go right on here. All right, there we go. It's a little tight fit just because of the powder coat on there, but we'll leave those bolts loose till we get the wheels on and we got some weight on the axle just to line it up right, Jay. What's next?
We're gonna do the front end steering assembly.
Yeah, let's get the front end on. Gotta grease up that steering shaft a little bit. We can put the handlebars on, a whole bunch of stuff.
Yep.
Finger it. You're gonna have to help me put these spindles through the frame. I'm gonna come set this down on there. You go like through these, I think.
Hello.
That can work. Make sure those caps stay on. You gotta try and get the steering part, you gotta drop down in there. That's gotta be bottom down, and then you ride this collar up. This comes up, see? There you go. Let's knock it back down a little bit. How's it look, man? Oh yeah. That's what we needed. Let's tighten up. All right, I'm gonna try and grease up these spindles real quick. That's nice. Look how nice and legit this is. It's gonna be smooth.
Looks good.
Okay. All right, Jay, we got the engine in, the rear diff on, the front steering all set up. I think we should put some of these powder coated brackets on there. What do you think?
Lily thinks we should do this next and the muffler. Right, Lil?
Yeah.
Put
Yep.
the muffler on, a couple of those brackets,
Yep.
and then we can put the front hubs on and the tires, get it back on the ground. Sweet.
Sit it on there.
Yeah. Yeah. Be gentle. Alright, pick them up like they would be. And then is it even?
Nice job, Lil. So proud of you, sweetie. Looks good.
What is it turning? Why is it
Getting
turning?
tight.
You gotta use the wrench and like pull it too.
Doing, doing, doing,
Watch your leg on this here.
doing, doing.
Going back.
Don't pull back. Pull it towards me.
I didn't put it towards you.
Do you like working with Daddy and Uncle Jay?
That's it.
Is this?
I might go to Darien Lake next weekend.
This is the same one as this, right?
I'm gonna go on Superman and shit.
Not me.
You don't go on that?
Hell no.
I just started doing it
Not
like
the stupid man.
2 years ago. That shit's serious.
No doubt.
I was like, oh my god.
Never.
Dun, dun, dun. Is it lined up?
Looks like it.
This thing down here? See right there.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
You see how it's flush right there at the end?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the other side.
Yeah.
Cool, now let's put those brackets on. Got the pegs on, Jay's putting these brackets on. Brake assembly set up on there. Looking sweet, boys.
Got 4-wheeler parts in there.
eBay, baby, let's go. Need those deliveries for the Yamaha bros. All right, man, there we go. Muffler's on. All right, sweet. Got the muffler on, got the front bumper on, all the brackets. What's next, Jay?
We gotta put the tires on and then she'll be a rolling chassis.
Yeah, let's get these tires on, put it on the ground. This thing's gonna be a river, dude.
It's half.
Let's put it on the ground, man. Lift that up. Set her over here.
Going
Sweet, bro.
on the ground.
All right, that's it for today, boys. She's on the ground. We gotta finish up the wiring, get the battery for it, a starter, a couple other things before we crank it up, but it's hot out. Jay wants to go home. He's going to dinner tonight with his old lady.
I'm hungry right now.
Ride your scooter out of here. Man, starts right up, bro. Gotta let it warm up.
Doggy horn.